Hey everyone, Christine here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a behind the scenes photo shoot using only natural light and affordable equipment. Today I'm going to be using my Nikon D3300 and my Nikon 50mm 1.8 lens. And like always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And today I'll be shooting Erin, and today we're going to be doing all natural light, again using all affordable equipment. This is the first DSLR camera that I purchased, the Nikon D3300. It is selling at a great price and you can't go wrong having that be your first camera. My first lens was the 50mm 1.8 lens. This is currently the only lens that I do use, and I am able to capture beautiful portraits.
Top or whatever.
Perfect.
And then I have heels in case you want to do heels. And then just a little skirt and bralette. This like opens up if you want to do this one too.
Oh, that's pretty with the slit.
Yeah. I don't know, wherever you get, wherever. So
we'll make it work. I like props.
Exactly. So I'm like, oh, I have option stuff. So
I like options.
So
that's
me
always
too.
great.
Yes, of course.
So I figured what we'll do is I think we'll try to go on this. Let me see. This spot up here seems to still be in the shade.
Okay.
And actually, you know what? Let's actually go on the opposite side of the bridge so the sun's behind us.
Great.
And I'll bring my step stool. My short person life.
Yep, yep.
So I figured we'll go over here and I'll have you face this way to play with this. Use this as your little prop.
Yeah, definitely.
Perfect.
I still have another spot.
Let me just see what this is. Just take a quick.
Yeah. Kind of good.
Oh no, it's fine. Just do a quick shot for light. Turn your body a little bit, yes.
This way.
Yeah, just like that.
Yeah.
Perfect.
As you can see here, the sun is facing me, so you can see I have some harsh light on my face causing shadows. That is why I have the sun behind the model to try and avoid this, especially when it's sunny.
Long legs, so maybe put one down.
Okay.
Yes, just like that. Actually, I like the way the sun's hitting your face this way. And then chin towards me. Chin towards me. There you go, perfect. And then chin down a smidge. There you go.
When giving suggestions to your model, just make sure you do it in a nice, sweet way.
Just be careful. We don't want a wet model.
And sometimes the best locations are a little more difficult to reach.
I'm going to say you sit in here, and then I'll take your shoes and we'll be careful.
I also like to always give positive reinforcement. It always makes the model feel more comfortable and confident.
Oh yes, look at that. Whatever tree this is, it's very spiky. Oh my gosh.
I saw that on my
It is very spiky. And look a little bit towards me.
the tree again.
Definitely, definitely. Yep,
Pop the leg.
definitely. Yep.
I always
Sounds
find
good.
it best to have the model use something, whether it's a prop, a tree, a rock, better than just having the model stand somewhere in a location and have her fiddle with her hands.
So right now I'm on f4, ISO 100, and shutter speed 200. Perfect. Oh, just like that. And then relax your right arm a little bit, like behind you. Just let it fall. There you go. Yes, the way the shadows are hitting her face is so good. And what if you put that hand on your... Yes. And the way you actually leaned in like that with your neck, yeah, just like that. So pretty. Just one more. Chin down a smidge. Yeah, it's the money shot. Let me show it.
Oh, I love
Isn't that
that. I love that.
Look
That's
at
like
that.
profile picture.
That's right?
That's beautiful. Yes. We got some awesome shots.
Yes, I agree. These came out so nice. Thanks again for joining me on this video. I hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes using natural light with affordable equipment. Thanks again, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone.